Hi, it's Dr. Jock here with Tornado, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of these three dragons. So here we have a purple Thunderdrum, a lime green Monstrous Nightmare, and a yellow Barf and Belch. So yeah, I'll start with the Thunderdrum. Here's the front of the box. And the side of the box, and the back, it just says fly into battle. Then here are the other dragons you can get. So there's Toothless, a Racing Stripes Hook Fang, the Belch and Barf I'll be showing shortly, and then this dragon. And the other side of the box. And I'll be back once I've got it out of the box. So here is the Thunderdrum out of its box. Now this dragon has the exact same mould as the blue Thunderdrum. So yeah, that was the Thunderdrum. And now let's move on to the Monstrous Nightmare. So here's the front of the box. And the side. And the back, which is exactly the same as the back of the Thunderdrum box, only it has a picture of Hook Fang on the back instead of the Thunderdrum. The other side of the box. And I'll be back once I've got it out of the box. So here is the Monstrous Nightmare out of its box. It has some articulation in its head. And the one thing I noticed when compared with the Hook Fang Monstrous Nightmare is that the teeth and the claws are actually painted, which is nice. So that was the Monstrous Nightmare, and now let's move on to Barf and Belch. So this is a new design for these mini dragons. This is Barf and Belch in their rolling attack flame thing. So there's the front, and the side, and the back, again as with the other two, it's exactly the same, only with a picture of the zipper back. And the other side, and then I'll be back once I've got them out of the box. So here is Barf and Belch out of the box. This is the first see-through character of the mini dragons. As you can see, it's using its wings to balance. So you can have it like that, or you could balance it like that. I suppose you could balance it like that as well. So yeah, that was Barf and Belch, and let's take a look at all three of them together. There we go. I hope they do more dragons, because these are kind of cute, and they're also less expensive than the action dragons. So yeah, that was my unboxing of the purple Thunderdrum, the lime green Monstrous Nightmare, and Belch and Barf. Thanks for watching. Bye!